So, new year, and I can't believe how quick January's gone as well. It's flown through, so it's a new year. Oh, some news. Kevin's retired now, so he is getting on to 75 anyway, so he's retired, he's gone. Anyway, we'll get some videos done now.
What? I'm not 75 till October.
What are you doing here? I thought you'd retired.
I have. Retired from work.
You never did anything anyway. Yeah. So what are you doing here now?
I'm bored. There's only so much daytime telly I can watch.
So I've got you for another year?
Yeah, I can sell houses, I can cook food. I've done everything now on telly, so I'm all right now.
You're sick of daytime telly?
Yeah.
So we've got him for another year anyway.
Oh.
Got anything for me or what?
Yeah, got a bit of news for you.
Have you?
Yeah, come this way.
I'll come this way then. So is this your part-time job, Kev, selling gas bottles on a market stand?
Yeah.
You're not going to sell many here, are you?
No. Right, bit of news for you. Pick that one up. No more.
What do you mean, no more?
No more. Calor aren't doing that one anymore. From the 1st of February, no more.
No more?
No more. Go.
No more?
No more. Pick that one up. No more.
Can you see what it means by retired? Hey, doing no work.
No more.
What do you mean, no more?
No more. 1st of February, no more.
No more?
No more.
No more? Don't even ask me pick another one up.
I'll pick it up. See that one?
Oh, because it's a light, isn't it? Hey?
The Calor light, which most people know, has been discontinued.
No more?
No more.
No more?
No more. Right, so...
Don't tell me they're getting rid of all them as well.
No. Your alternatives now.
Well, hang on a minute. I've had a thought.
Well, I can smell wood burning. Go on.
If you've got a campervan,
Yeah.
such as a campervan like this,
Yeah.
see, campervan?
Yeah.
Now this campervan has a gas locker.
Does.
See there?
Yeah.
Little gas locker.
Yeah. And it takes that size bottle.
And it takes that size, or that size.
Yeah.
What am I going to do, Kev?
Alternatives.
Alternatives.
Different supplier. In this case, we've got flow gas, but not always available all over the country. So that will still be available. That is a 7.9 kilogram, yeah?
Right.
So if you're in an area where you can get that, you're okay. If you run
Why
out...
did it say 6.9?
Oh, 6.9, sorry. Right. So if you're in an area where they don't stock that and you run out, you're snookered.
No more?
No more. So your other alternative is camping gas. Camping gas is available all over the continent, all over the country. There are slightly larger bottles which will fit in the locker, but it's expensive. If you haven't already got one of those cylinders, you can pay anything upwards to about £155 just for the cylinder. And
You're like a font of knowledge, aren't you?
I am, and then you've got the gas.
You can tell you've been bored, haven't you?
That's full of gas, and but a refill is quite expensive as well.
Right.
So that's your alternative.
Okay.
You'd have to change your connection on your hose as well.
Are there any other alternatives?
Yeah.
What happens if the bottle won't fit in?
If the bottle won't fit in, you could go with refillable, such as Gas It or Gaslow.
Yep.
That is your other alternative.
Which again is going to be an expense as well, because you're going to have to modernise, you're going to have to put the connectors in and everything else, aren't we?
Yeah. It's a big expense, but the gas is half the price anyway.
So we are getting a saving.
Yeah.
That's what we're all about here, savings.
Your other alternative, if your locker's big enough, then you can go with your 6 kilogram propane.
You had to check there, didn't you?
Yeah. I'll sell 7 kilogram butane. The only difference if you go with the butane one is you'll have to change the connection.
Connection?
Because this is the one that you use in a cabinet heater in your house or something like that. So that's it. No more.
No more?
Calor's gone large.
Calor, I've gone large. No, titty ones. Tiny ones. No tiny ones. So, Calor, I've gone large.
These are your smallest you're going to get off Calor.
So, I could take this to to get it changed, but they won't give me one of these, will they?
No, they'll give you one of these.
You'll get one of them instead.
And you can take one of the butane, you can get one of these butane.
But we can't get any lights.
But you can't get any lights.
There you go. Calor's gone large.
And gone heavy. No light.